I checked out of the McDonald's Cebu on my way over to the condo in Cebu City. Um, Ended up riding habal, which in the Philippines is uh, motorcycle taxi. The guy got me, man. I seen him the day before. I seen him the first day I got in. He's like, "Yo, you need a ride?" I'm like, "Not today, but I do need a ride tomorrow." And at that time, he was just like by standing there. So I'm thinking like, yeah, a taxi or something. Because I told him, I said, "Yeah, I got a suitcase and I got a bag." And he's like, "Ah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it." So whatever. I went about my day, worrying about my phone and all that stuff. And then I met him the next day after I checked out, and he goes like in the alley. He comes out with a damn bike, and I'm like, "What?" And at this time, I couldn't use my phone. I could only use my phone with Wi-Fi, so I couldn't call the Grab or a taxi or nothing like that. So I was like, you know what, whatever, man. Like whatever. He didn't have a rack on the back or anything like that. So I just rolled motorcycle, a hubble from Moncton to Cebu City up near I.T Park. Just like honestly, it took us like I don't know, like 40 minutes or whatever to get over there. And the whole time I got a 40 pound suitcase between me and the driver, and a 20 pound damn suit bag on my back. But whatever, I made it. The footage you're watching, this is actually not my footage. This is fair use, so it's the same exact route I took. And if you were watching, you can see the traffic is crazy over here. But I would say that Filipinos are probably some of the best drivers I ever seen, because in 2 weeks, I seen one accident, which is crazy. But anyway, this is the street right here for the condo. So, the Median Condo, uh, about $30 a night. Beautiful place, man. Beautiful, brand new, spanking brand new. Couldn't be. I think it's like a year old condo, upper scale. Beautiful, beautiful condo, man. Hey, checked into Airbnb in Cebu City. Uh, I don't got my mic right now, so probably sound weird, but uh, so I got here. I checked out of the pension house at 12, but I couldn't check into the Airbnb until 2. So I got over here about 1. Man, I done walked like an hour just to kill time. I actually seen a lot of this. I haven't walked that long in a long time. So just walked around the city. Man, it's just a busy city, man. It's a lot going on. People everywhere. I actually ran into a guy. I was talking to a guy and hooked up my tour for tomorrow. So he's gonna take me up to I guess the Highlands, Sorrel Garden, and so just sightseeing, see some sights, relax. I walked. Man, I don't know. I did a big circle, so I actually seen a couple places where I would like to eat. I came all the way back around, walked through I.T Park. It's a very nice, it's like night and day. It's a very nice part of town. Um, Went and checked out the food market. I don't know if I was in the wrong spot or not, but I wasn't hungry anyway, so I just wanted to see where it was at. A lot of this stuff, man, I've looked over and over it on maps and like on videos, but seeing it in person is different, So that's why I just want to get out and walk. You know what I mean? It's usually like, even in America though, like if I go to a city I've never been before, I won't be walking. Usually just be driving around. Just drive around, getting lost, whatever, find your way back. We used to do that all the time when we were younger, so. Let me show you guys the condo. It's small, but it's real nice. When I go back out, I'll show you guys outside. But it's a nice condo. Small, but nice. It's got a cooktop, sink, microwave. Probably got, I don't know what it's got in here. Cookware, refrigerator. This little bedroom. Honestly, I could live in something like this, man. Like, just shit. When I'm home, I don't really use up much space anyway. Bathroom. The only thing that gets me about here is, we're used to tub or a divider or something always. So, out here. Balcony. Pool down there. Nice pool. I'm on the 7th floor, so that's probably second floor. Yeah, this Cebu City. Yeah, I did a whole big circle around the city, man. Kind of once I started, I just kept going until I got all the way around, so. Honestly, they're putting up a lot of buildings. So maybe, I don't know, 5-10 years, it's gonna be like a different city, man. Just walking around, man. I mean, if you look, I don't know if you can see. Crane, that's a building going up. There's a crane over there, that's a building going up. Another crane over there in the distance. Another crane. Mountains and back. So honestly, I came out of this street, walked down that street, took a left, walked all the way around. I walked all the way around, like where that building is at in the distance. That building right there, all the way back around. Big circle, and ended up coming back down this street here. Like an hour, a little over an hour. But stopped and got me a banana and mango shake, freshly made. I don't even know, 90 cents. 90 pesos. So I don't know what that is. $1 or some change. So tomorrow, can't see the mountains where I'm gonna be going from here, but that's the start of them, but it's like on the other side of this building in the mountains. Like I said, man, I just want to explore. Just want to explore. This first week, I seen a rooftop lounge, and that's what I'm talking about. Like, if I didn't go out and just walk around, Like I went to seen I seen a barbecue spot I want to try out. I'm not even a foodie, you know. I don't even really eat a lot, but I will try. I mean, I have to eat, so I can't live without eating. But if I didn't go out like that, like I said, I went to see that rooftop lounge I want to go to. I don't drink, but yeah, I just want to get out. You know, I just want to be out. It's a busy city, man. It's just people everywhere, man. They're nice. I'm not gonna say they're not definitely not mean people. They are nice, but for the most part, they just minding their business, man. They just doing what they gotta do, getting where they gotta go. You know, they don't bother me. Everybody I've stopped, I'm not a real talker, but everybody I've talked to has been super nice, accommodating. I'm kind of hesitant to bring the camera out and just, you know, be. I know it's all right, but it's just like I don't want to be putting my camera in people's faces, which I wouldn't do anyway. But I just don't want to make anybody feel uncomfortable. You know what I mean? Because I'm a guest in this country. And I know people want to see what it's like. So I just don't want to be off-putting. People are really, really nice. But like I said, for the most part, they're just going about their business, doing what they got to do. Just like anybody else, any other people, you know. But I don't feel that edginess. Like I haven't felt the urge to look over my shoulder or, you know. I don't even think I've seen a real cop. Yeah, it's a lot of security. Everywhere you go, there's security. Like pharmacy, bank, fucking fast food restaurant. Like everywhere security, everywhere, man. They have the big ass shotguns. So I don't even think about getting in no trouble here. But I haven't felt that urge to. I haven't felt that uncomfortableness yet, you know, or the spidey senses kicking in. So the people were right though about the one thing I didn't say in my other video. People are right about damn cabs here, and I knew it. I knew it getting off the plane. I knew it. As soon as I walk out, hey sir, need a cab? Like soon. But I knew what I had downloaded the Grab app, which is their Uber. So I knew how much it was gonna be from the airport to the Ace Pension House where I was at yesterday. And this dude, it was like 170 pesos on the Grab app. So this guy's like 500. I'm like, yeah, all right, bro. Like that ain't happening, man. 500. I was like, nah, I'm good, man. And I just walked down further to the white cabs. Like everybody says this, so that's why I watch a lot of the videos, man. Sunshine Soldiers, man. That's the dude I watch the most. I just shot him an email a little while ago, like right before I left Ace Pension House. Last time I emailed him, he emailed back like 5 minutes. I haven't checked my email yet. He probably emailed me back already. But a lot of these other YouTubers, man, like they don't answer you back. They don't respond. You know, that's why I mess with him. You know, he's just a regular dude. He like one of my uncles or something. He act just like him. But like I said, I'm about to relax for a minute. I'm about to jump in the shower and just relax. Because it is hot. I mean, it's not overly hot. I think right now it's like 80, between 85 and 90. It's not killing me. Like South Florida, it feels like. But I guess what it is that South Florida cools off in the winter. Over here, it's just like this, like year round. So that's the difference. But anyway, I'm about to relax for a second, and I promise I promise I will bring the camera out when I go back out walking. I know I said it a couple times, I haven't done it, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna be sure to not stick it in anybody's face. That's the only thing I've been worried about. But, All right, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.